Good day everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're not able to open NVIDIA Control Panel in your Windows machine. Now there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now the first step to resolve this issue is to end NVIDIA Process in your Task Manager. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the Start button and then click on Task Manager to open Task Manager. Once you have the Task Manager under Processes, you will have to go ahead and locate for NVIDIA. In case if you're not able to locate it this way, you can also type NVIDIA in the search. So you can do a right click and then click on End Task. Repeat the same process in case if there are any multiple processes running for NVIDIA Control Panel. So you can do a right click and then click on End Task. Once this is done, you may close this window. Once this is done, you may try to open NVIDIA Control Panel from the search window or from the Start button and see if you're able to open. If you're able to open, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and restart NVIDIA service. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the Start button and then click on Run. In the Run window, you may go ahead and type services.msc and then click on OK. Once you have the services window, you will have to go ahead and locate for NVIDIA. In this list, you will have to do a right click and then click on Restart. So basically what you're trying to do here is you're trying to restart the NVIDIA Display Container LS service. At the same time, you can also check if the NVIDIA Display Container has been set to automatic. So you can do a right click and then click on Properties. Make sure the startup type has been set to automatic. In case if it is set to manual, from the list you can choose automatic. Click on Apply and then click on OK. Repeat the same step for any other NVIDIA local system container or anything which says NVIDIA container. So you can do a right click and then click on Properties. Make sure the startup type has been set to automatic. Click on Apply and then click on OK. And then do a right click and then click on Restart. Once this is done, you may close this window, restart your computer and then try to launch NVIDIA Control Panel from the start or from the search and see if it works. In case if it works, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and reset or repair NVIDIA app. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the Start button and then click on Settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to go ahead and click on Apps. And then on the right hand side, you will have to go ahead and click on Installed Apps. In the install list, you will have to go ahead and locate for NVIDIA Control Panel. It would be in alphabetical order. You can click on three dotted lines next to the NVIDIA Control Panel and then click on Advanced option. Under Advanced option, you will have to scroll down and click on Terminate so that all the NVIDIA Control Panel services are closed. And then click on Repair. Wait until the repair is complete and then click on Reset and then click on Reset again. Once this is done, you may close this window, restart your computer and then try to launch NVIDIA Control Panel and check if your issue has been resolved. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and update your graphic driver. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the Start button and then click on Device Manager. Just in case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on Yes or Continue on the screen. Once you have the Device Manager open, you will have to go ahead and expand Display Adapters. In this list, you will have to locate for NVIDIA graphic card. You can do a right click and then click on Scan for hardware changes in case if there has been hardware changes. And once that is done, you can do a right click and then click on Update Driver. Choose the option which says Search automatically for the drivers and then choose Search for the updated drivers on Windows Update. Once this is done, what this will do is this will go ahead and check if there are any updates available for your Windows. Now in this list, you can go ahead and click on Advanced option. Under Advanced options, see if there is anything listed under optional updates. If in case if there are any optional updates available, go ahead and install those updates. In case if you don't see anything here, go back to the Windows Update and check the box which says check for the Windows Update. See if there are any updates to be installed on your computer. If there are any updates to be installed, install those updates. Close this window, restart your computer and then check if your issue has been resolved. So all this steps should definitely resolve this issue. In case if your issue is not resolved, please leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.